In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable gift message in Printify step by step. By the end, you'll have gift messages turned on for all eligible orders and know exactly where to fine-tune the template so it matches your brand. First, head to your Printify account and open the store you want to work with. On the left side panel, look for the branding option. This is where Printify keeps customization tools for how your brand appears on packing materials and, importantly for today, where gift message settings live. Once you're in branding, go to the branding and gift messages area. If the layout looks a little different, don't worry. Printify occasionally updates the interface. Just stay in the branding section and look for the gift messages panel. When you find it, scroll down until you see the gift messages section clearly called out. Click Set up gift messages. This opens the dedicated settings page where you control if gift messages are offered on your orders. You'll see an option labeled Enable Gift Messages for all eligible orders. Eligibility is determined by Printify and the print providers you're using. Some providers support printed gift notes and some don't. Turning this on won't break anything for ineligible items. It simply activates the feature wherever it's supported. Toggle the setting on. From now on, customers will be able to include a personal note on eligible products, and that message will appear on the packing slip or insert provided by the print partner. If you manage multiple storefronts through Printify, just make sure you're in the correct store before toggling so you enable it where you intend. You can also edit the template used for these messages. This is a great place to add a friendly headline, a short introduction, or a sign-off that reflects your brand voice. Keep the language warm and concise, and consider adding simple guidance like add your message here to set expectations. It's smart to avoid excessive emojis or special characters since not all print providers reproduce them perfectly. Double check spelling and tone so every gift note feels thoughtful and on brand. A couple of tips before you wrap up. If you notice any character limits in the template, keep your default text brief so customers have room for their own words. If you sell across multiple product types or providers, review a sample product page to confirm gift messages are supported and whether any fees apply for the insert. Finally, after enabling, place a small test order or preview the output so you can see exactly how the message appears to your recipient. That's it. Go to branding, scroll to gift messages, click setup, toggle it on, and refine your template. You're all set to add a personal touch to every eligible order.